herb beds we were putting in this year. This is our shade herb bed. You can see it kind of got overgrown. Made the mistake of putting Italian parsley in front of regular parsley. I didn't realize the Italian parsley would get so tall. And then we tried bee bread, which took over both gardens. It's forage is its name, but they call it bee bread, and the bees sure have loved it, but it has like kind of taken over everything. We got some mints over here. So this is our little triangle herb bed. We have some mini herb beds. And then this one we never got to this year, other than planting the ground cover to go over the stepping stones. And so we're going to put the garlic in this bed. There's some heads and shakes right there. Silly Spikey. You're all dirty. Garden hands.